Ever wondered if the elixir of youth could be hiding in your kitchen? Well, you might be onto something. Today we're diving into the culinary fountain of youth to discover foods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also keep those years from catching up. From the magic of minerals to the wonders of healthy fats, we've got a smorgasbord of age-defying delights lined up for you. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that packs a punch in every bite. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. The leafy green also contains antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which are known for their health-boosting properties. One of the standout nutrients in kale is lutein, a carotenoid that's incredibly beneficial for eye health. Lutein helps protect the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Regular consumption of kale can significantly reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts as you age. Almonds are a fantastic source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that is essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Just a small handful of almonds can provide you with almost 50% of your daily vitamin E needs. The vitamin E in almonds helps nourish your skin, keeping it soft and hydrated. It also protects your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals, which can accelerate the aging process. For hair, almonds can improve its texture and strength, thanks to the healthy fats and protein it contains. Almonds are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. You can have them raw as a quick snack, or make almond butter to spread on whole grain toast. Almond flour is also an excellent alternative for baking if you're looking for a gluten-free option. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been extensively studied for its health benefits. Lycopene is known for its potential in reducing the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Lycopene is particularly effective in protecting your skin from sun damage. It neutralizes the harmful free radicals produced by ultraviolet rays, thereby reducing the risk of sunburn and long-term sun damage that can lead to premature aging. Turmeric. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It's been shown to be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. Curcumin is also beneficial for brain health. It can increase the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone that functions in the brain which could potentially delay or even reverse brain diseases and age-related decreases in brain function. A popular way to enjoy turmeric is by making a turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. Simply mix turmeric powder with warm milk and a dash of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Add a sweetener like honey and you have a delicious health-boosting beverage. Quinoa is often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. It's one of the few plant-based foods that offer a complete protein profile, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to get enough protein from other sources. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, and quinoa's high protein content makes it beneficial for maintaining healthy muscles. The amino acids in quinoa are readily absorbed by the body, aiding in quicker muscle recovery and reducing muscle breakdown, which is particularly important as we age. Quinoa bowls are a versatile and delicious way to enjoy this nutritious grain. You can make a savory quinoa bowl with vegetables, a protein source like chicken or tofu, and a tasty sauce. Alternatively, a sweet quinoa bowl with fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey makes for a delightful breakfast or dessert. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. Allicin has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, making garlic a natural remedy for a host of ailments. The allicin in garlic is a potent immune system booster. It enhances the body's ability to fight off infections and can even speed up recovery from illnesses like the common cold. Garlic can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. From garlic bread and garlic butter shrimp to garlic-infused olive oil, the options are endless. It adds a burst of flavor, while also providing health benefits. Ginger is rich in bioactive compounds, the most notable being gingerol. This compound has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can help in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Ginger has long been used as a digestive aid, It can help in alleviating gastrointestinal irritation, stimulating saliva, and suppressing gastric contractions as food and fluids move through the digestive tract. Ginger tea is a simple and effective way to consume ginger. You can also use ginger in stir-fries, soups, and even desserts. Fresh, dried, or powdered, ginger adds a zesty flavor to dishes while offering numerous health benefits. Beets are a fantastic source of dietary nitrates which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide has vasodilating properties, meaning it can widen blood vessels. The nitrates in beets improve blood flow, which is beneficial for heart health. Improved circulation can also enhance physical performance, making beets a popular choice among athletes. Beet smoothies are a tasty and convenient way to get more beets into your diet. Combine beets with fruits like berries or apples. Add some greens and blend it all together for a nutritious and delicious smoothie. Greek yogurt is a rich source of probiotics, which are live bacteria that are beneficial for your digestive system. These probiotics help balance the gut flora, aiding in digestion and enhancing nutrient absorption. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and Greek yogurt can be a valuable addition to achieve this. The probiotics in Greek yogurt can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for digestive health, nutrient absorption, and even mental well-being. Blackberries are a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to antioxidants. They contain a variety of antioxidant compounds, including vitamin C, flavonoids, and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress. The antioxidants in blackberries are not just good for your body, they're also beneficial for your brain. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in blackberries can improve memory, attention, and other cognitive functions, making them a smart choice for brain health. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are a type of saturated fatty acid. Unlike other fats, MCTs are more easily absorbed and quickly converted into energy. Coconut oil has been widely used for its moisturizing properties. The MCTs in coconut oil help to nourish and hydrate the skin, making it softer and more supple. It's also beneficial for hair, providing natural conditioning and promoting healthier, shinier locks. And there you have it, folks. Remember, the key to unlocking the fountain of youth lies in a balanced diet, sprinkled with a dash of regular exercise. So the next time you're grocery shopping, why not add a few of these age-defying goodies to your cart? If you found value in this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious wisdom. After all, staying young is a dish best served tasty,